Hey, you guys. So let's say you have a PDF document that has two pages, page one, page two, and they are connected. If you look at some videos about how to split these and extract pages separately, they're going to tell you to go to save as, but you will notice that it's really not going to help out. They're going to tell you to go to export a PDF, but again, none of the options under export a PDF are going to allow you to separately save those pages. So here's how you extract or save just one or just a couple of those pages that you're interested in. You go here, right here, all tools. Okay. And then you come down to organize pages. You hover over the page that you're interested in extracting. Click on extract page. And right over here, click extract pages as separate files. Then click OK. Um, choose. And that's it. It's that simple. So now when you go to desktop, you will notice I'm going to rename this to page two only. You will notice that it's only page two that has been saved. Okay, I hope this helped. If it did, please comment and subscribe.